Alright guys, it's time to upgrade the main server. Gotta start by unboxing these 5 more graphics cards, and that'll add to the 3 graphics cards we've already got here for a total of 8. 1 down, 4 to go, and these even have the peel still on them. Nice. Well, this seems a little precarious. Alright, time to install our 8 graphics cards into our 8 PCIe slots. 2 are already in. I can't do this one-handed. Man, how can you just not love to see that? That is amazing. Oh, so clean. With our 8, well, technically 9, graphics cards installed, let's see if it boots. Alright, moment of truth, and bonk.